This might look like a scene from a movie, but nope. I made this using just 2 photos and Photoshop. Let me show you how I merged a woman swimming and a shark into one realistic underwater image step by step. So I have already opened the main image in Photoshop. Now go to the file, place embedded and select the shark image I want to add. Then select any selection tool. On the menu bar, click on Select Subject. It will automatically make a selection of the shark. Now press Ctrl and J to duplicate the selection. Then delete the original layer. Adjust the shark position. Next, go to the image menu, then Adjustments and open Match Color. In the source, select the background image. In the layer, select the shark layer. Now adjust the fade, color intensity and luminance sliders. And now color is matching perfectly. After that, go to the filter menu, blur and Gaussian blur. Add just a little blur, not too much. Then select the shark layer and go to the layer style, blending options. In the underlying layer, hold Alt to break the slider. Drag the left half all the way to the left and the other half around halfway. Then do the same with the current layer slider. Now click OK. Next, increase the size and adjust the position of the shark again. Then I'm gonna duplicate the shark layer to make another shark underwater. And that's it. I hope you liked this video. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you in the next video.